Have you ever clicked on a YouTube video and it just keeps buffering? Or maybe the video keeps freezing, lagging, or dropping to super low quality? If that sounds familiar, you're definitely not alone. This is one of the most common issues people face in 2026. In this video, I'll walk you through why YouTube videos lag or load slowly, and show you step-by-step solutions that actually work. Let's fix it! First, let's understand the cause. There are several reasons why YouTube videos may lag or load slowly. The most common one is a slow or unstable internet connection. Too much cache data in your browser can also slow things down. Running too many extensions can interfere with the playback. And in some cases, outdated drivers or even damaged video files can cause lag. Now let's go through the fixes. Method 1. Clear your browsing data. Start by clearing your browsing data. This removes temporary files that may be slowing down video loading. Method number 2. Next, disable any extensions you don't really need. Some of them can affect video performance without you realizing it. Method 3. Update your browser. Make sure your browser is updated to the latest version. Updates fix bugs and improve streaming performance. Method 4. Check internet and update drivers. Check your internet speed. Buffering often comes from slow internet connections. Also, update your graphic drivers to ensure a smooth playback. If your video is still lagging after trying all of these fixes, the issue might actually be the video file itself. In that case, you can use 4DDiG file repair. It allows you to repair lagging, stuttering, or corrupted videos in just a few clicks. The tool restores video quality and makes the playback smooth again. It supports multiple formats and works even with severely damaged files. So to quickly recap, if your YouTube videos are lagging or loading slowly, start by checking your internet, clearing cache, disabling extensions, and updating your browser and drivers. And if the problem is caused by a damaged video file, repairing it can make a huge difference. You can find the link to try 4DDiG file repair in the description below. Give it a try and see if it solves your issue. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, I'll see you in the next one.